Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $4 every 1 minute with just your phone in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune with Dollar Influencer's new videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. First thing that I want you to do is I want you to go on clicksgenie.com and I want you to get on this site, and as it says get paid to literally read emails. You can make $0.42 just from reading emails, guys. It is that simple. As it says, friendly interface. ClickGenie is very easy to use and very friendly. It has a very friendly interface, multiple earning options. You can earn money from reading emails at your own pace, and you can earn even more by inviting your friends with affiliate links and things like that. Then there are multiple levels of commission. You can earn more for every active referral you get for up to 5 levels, and you can get up to 320% of that. And it's very secure. ClicksGenie is safe and secure to use. We use 2-factor verification. Is very transparent. All your earnings can be tracked, and it is super fast, guys. So all you guys know and everything you guys have been seeing from this channel so far is that all of these websites require PayPal. If you do not have a PayPal, then unfortunately you cannot do this. As it says, your payments are instant every single time, and you can earn from a 0.0.1 minimal payout rate. So you don't need to wait until you reach like $10, $15. This is why I love recommending websites like this, because you don't need to do so much work. Imagine working for $10 only for it to be a scam. So if it is a scam, at least all you need to do is work for just a few cents to see if it is right. And anyways, these are the stats to kind of tell you: over 19,000 total members, over 800 people that are online right now, and over 7,000 has been paid just to read emails. So it is very easy to set up. Just go on the register page. After you've clicked on the register page, you can add your username, your email. Make sure you have a strong password that you remember. Add your postal codes, whether you're a male or a female, your country. Make sure that you agree to all of the I have accepted terms and conditions. After you have done that, guys, then you can easily start reading emails that can take up to 20 minutes. And the good thing about this website is that it is not promising you a big payout like earn $300 per email, because that is just insane and ridiculous. That makes no sense whatsoever. But the thing is about this one is that it is promising you to pay you very small money. Each email that you read makes you 6 Rand. Now 6 Rand is not a lot of money at all whatsoever, but if you can read up to 50 emails, that is a lot of money that you just calculate up. That's the good thing about these websites. The more and more you do it, the more traffic you give to them, because why would they be giving you money for no reason? It kind of really does not make sense. So the reason why they give you such small payouts is because they literally want you to keep on using their website over and over again to give them traffic and give them data, and you also need to get something in return. Nobody's just going to read emails for exactly no reason, especially emails that are not even targeted towards them. So just make sure that you follow all the instructions that I gave you guys, and I promise you, you will be a Okay, anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. My name is Larry. Thank you for your time, and if you've made it to the end of the video, then think you are a star. The giveaway is still happening soon. It is November, guys. Keep your eyes open. Make sure you comment, make sure you like. We are seeing it every single day, and we already have a few people in mind that are definitely winning the competition so far. And you know, if they keep on commenting, then you are definitely going to win. So guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you next week. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, love y'all.